Show me your back there.
Back? What do you mean?
Where it come from.
Oh.
The brand.
What's up, YouTubers? Tonight, it's going to be knives and four-wheel drives. Not so much about the knives. I just happen to be carrying the Vosteed Raccoon. This is a top liner lock. So that review will be coming soon. But tonight, it's about the four-wheel drives. I have a 20-year-old Toyota 4Runner. It has the polycarbonate basically housing for the headlamps, extremely exposed. I'll go ahead and interweave in as I'm talking over this. I don't know, I'm not the very best editor out there, but I'll do the best I can to make it cohesive, quick, and just to the point. But in short, what I wanted to talk about is these headlight clear coats. So I normally do about every year or two the 3M kit, where it basically has a little hex drill bit basically that goes into your drill, and it has like all these basically sanding, various sanding levels from 800 grit down to like 3000 grit wet dry, and then you actually polish it on. But what happens is then about every year it refades because the plastic and the polycarbonate gets re-exposed to the sunlight. So in between, so that I don't have to do that every year or few, I just decided to go ahead and buy these. You can get like an entire box of these. Literally, look at this box. It's a huge box of these it was $36. I think it was for basically, no, I'm sorry. No, it was $13 for like 30 cents a piece. And I used one of these on each head, or one of these on a headlamp, and then just kind of basically folded it inside out, used the other one on the headlamp for the other one, and it absolutely turned what was entirely just shady, cloudy, and yellow. It didn't get rid of the yellow, right? That's going to be there, but it did go ahead and make it 100% clear. In fact, 200% clear. So I'm thinking of just using these. And by the way, I'm going to definitely do a 3-month and a 6-month kind of follow-up to these. The 3M Quick Headlight Clear Coat. Very easy to use. You can see exactly how I basically just drag it across. Very simple. All you got to do is just wipe it down, hot water, let it dry off completely. Go ahead and go over with these a little bit, and it's shocking how good this is. So if you are one of those people like me that struggles with your 20-year-old headlamp, polycarbonate's getting pretty much beat to heck and all clouded up from the sun, then this is very, very good. And so far, it's only been 2 weeks since I've done it, but it's still nice and clear. And the difference at nighttime when I need to use the headlights is amazing. So yeah, I will go ahead and I'll edit this in some way such that it makes sense. You'll get to see it in action, and I may even just overlay some music on there. But yeah, these for 33 cents each. Again, it would literally, to do my 4Runner, took 2 of these. It's like 66 cents in about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes of total time. Literally 10 minutes total time to completely restore my headlamps and just, like I said, fill in the gap. And it doesn't fully replace using the ones where you actually sand off the yellowing, but in between, you know what? You just want to do a quick 5-minute thing. Absolutely. I hope this was interesting, if not of use. And so, yeah, knives and four-wheel drives win tonight.